It's another Friday, and you know what that means. Another too big to fail bank is crashing. This Friday, it's Deutsche Bank. Welcome to Radically Rational Radio. In this episode, we'll continue to bring you the banking failure news. The too long didn't read is simple. SVB to sell assets at a loss, and that triggered news that they had no liquidity. That bank run caused everyone else to start running banks. That bank run caused a cascading liquidity crisis as more people, small business owners, and large companies started moving money out of banks. They all had a liquidity crisis. In their efforts to increase liquidity, they had to sell a lot of assets. Now that's only part one. Here's the rippling effect. Hundreds and hundreds of banks all of a sudden are using their FDIC insurance. No matter what insurance is doing, they have a couple basic principles. But the biggest one is, if you use your insurance, your deductible goes up. Now across the world, everyone's insurance is going up regardless. And that increase in cost, they don't have the liquidity to cover that. This banking collapse is going to happen just like in 2008. There will be banks still alive. They will have eaten all these guys up. They will have gotten trillions of dollars in assets for merely billions of dollars, and will be getting a bunch of tax benefits from every country in the world. If we thought it was bad before, this is going to be a whole lot worse. Central bank crypto coin, it is now way more likely to happen. We have removed so many players from the field, and I don't believe Deutsche Bank is going to be able to make it through. The Kobayashi letter sums it up really well. Collapses of large banks happen on Friday. Friday, Bear Stearns. Friday, Lehman Brothers. Friday, Washington Mutual. Friday, SVB. Friday, Signature Bank. Friday, UBS. And right on schedule, Friday, Deutsche Bank. Just about every large bank failure in recent history has occurred on a Friday, and the whole world sees it happening. This is only going to increase the fear in bank runs. I just don't see a world where austerity isn't on its way. It's either that or hyperinflation. And if that's the case, because what China and Putin could possibly do in the next 2 to 3 years could make this a whole lot harder. We'll cover that in our next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for joining us. I hope you learned something. I'm Tristan. This is Radically Rational Radio. Stay resilient.